DigitalX becomes second to secure regulatory approval for spot Bitcoin ETF in Australia. Ruholamin Haqshanas last updated, July 9, 2024 at 10:32 GMT 2 minutes read. Blockchain-focused asset manager DigitalX has received regulatory approval to launch its spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund ETF. The approval makes DigitalX the second company to offer a Bitcoin ETF on the Australian Securities Exchange (ASX) following VanEck's recent approval. The DigitalX Bitcoin ETF, listed under the ticker BTXX, is set to debut on July 12 at 10 a.m. local time, according to an announcement made by the firm on July 8. Watershed moment for DigitalX. The regulatory approval for BTXX is being hailed as a watershed moment by DigitalX's CEO, Lisa Wade. We are pleased to now be able to deliver and offer this spot Bitcoin ETF to the Australian market. This is a watershed moment for us as a business and for the Australian digital asset investment market. She emphasized that the ETF provides ASX customers with direct access to Bitcoin through a regulated and liquid fund structure. x.com/DigitalXLTD/status/ to bring the spot Bitcoin ETF to fruition. DigitalX Bitcoin has partnered with investment management firm K2 Asset Management, which will act as the responsible entity and issuer of the ETF. Additionally, DigitalX will collaborate with cryptocurrency-focused investment firm 3iQ to promote and distribute the product both within Australia and internationally. The regulatory approval comes just over 3 weeks after the ASX granted approval for VanEck's spot Bitcoin ETF on June 15, with trading commencing on June 20. While VanEck's Bitcoin ETF (VBTC) saw a modest volume of $1.3 million on its first trading day, it pales in comparison to the daily average of $450 million seen by the 9 spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States during their initial 10 trading days. Another Australian fund manager, BetterShares, is reportedly pursuing a Bitcoin ETF on the ASX as well, as indicated in an April report from Bloomberg. Digital asset products see inflows. The approval of DigitalX's Bitcoin ETF comes at a time when digital asset investment products are experiencing significant inflows. CoinShares, a digital asset and fintech investment business, reported inflows totaling $441 million, driven by investors perceiving the recent price weakness caused by Mt. Gox and the German government's selling pressure as a buying opportunity, while exchange-traded product ETP volumes remained relatively low at $7.9 billion, in line with the seasonal pattern of lower volumes during the summer months. Inflows into digital asset investment products remained robust. However, the participation rate of ETPs in the total market for trusted exchanges was 17% lower. The crypto market in Australia has seen significant growth over the past few years in terms of ownership and adoption. As reported, the crypto ownership rate in Australia is 17%, which is higher than the global average of 15%. It is worth noting that crypto has been under increasing scrutiny in Australia. In May last year, cryptocurrency exchange Binance Australia told customers they would lose access to Australian dollar deposits and withdrawals due to a decision by its third-party service provider. In July, officials from the Australian Securities and Investments Commission (ASIC) even conducted searches at Binance Australia's offices. Follow us on Google News.